from the Storm Tracker 9 Weather Center.
Let's look at our weather across the Pacific Northwest, where we are continuing to see just a few low clouds hanging around as we're in between storms. I do expect most of that, though, to break up as we head into the second half of the day. Now, yesterday started out cloudy. We even saw a little bit of light rain, but by the afternoon, we saw those clear blue skies showing through, and that did bring our temperatures all the way back up into the low 70s. High temperature officially on the books, so that is 3 degrees above average for this time of year. And the record much warmer than we were yesterday or have been so far this year, up to 92, and that was the case back in 1939. Only dropped to 56 overnight the night before last, much colder this morning. And we did see 200ths of an inch of rain as that front moved through, obviously not making a dent in that deficit, which is now up to 15 and almost a quarter inches for this point in 2013. High temperatures were cooler than where we had been over the weekend for much of western and even central Oregon, but you head over to the eastern side of the state, still quite toasty, mid-80s for folks in John Day and Burns, and head all the way over to Ontario. 96 degrees was the high temperature there, warmest spot in the state so far. 91 the high down in Rome. Now we are going to continue to see rather mild temperatures, but more and more sunshine today as those clouds clear from yesterday's storm, and that little bit of fog that we saw early this morning should see some beautiful sunny skies this afternoon, and that'll help to bring those temperatures back up near 70. Started out, though, in the low 40s, making it up into the mid 40s just after sunrise this morning. And we are going to see a nice break before that next storm gets here. So dry, mostly sunny today and most of tomorrow. But by Wednesday night, that next cold front will swing through, and it is going to bring a return of the showers. We're going to see those starting late Wednesday, continuing all the way through Friday. But here's the thing, even though we are likely going to see those showers for 36 hours, it's only going to amount to about 1/10 to 1/4 inch of rain. So you can see pretty light rain showers moving through and just periods of dry breaks in between as well. Once we get through that storm, we're pretty much in the clear. That just is going to head up to the north of us. We have another storm developing further out in the Pacific, but it looks like that will stay to the north of us as well. So we should stay dry as we head into the weekend. The coast will see highs back into the upper 50s and low 60s, mostly sunny skies, and those winds will be out of the northwest at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Again, those showers arriving Wednesday afternoon, often on Thursday into Friday, but then you look to dry out for the weekend. Could see a few sprinkles. Otherwise, those highs will stay in the upper 50s. The Umpqua Basin, low 70s for you, mostly sunny skies with winds out of the northwest. 72 on Wednesday, dropping to the upper 60s for Thursday and Friday as that storm rolls through, and then it'll be back into the low to mid 70s coming up this weekend. The Cascades will be in the mid 50s. That freezing level started out at 8,000 feet. It'll get back to 10,000 feet by tonight. Mostly sunny for you as well. Low 60s into the foothills, upper 60s and low 70s in central Oregon under those mostly sunny skies. You'll fall to the low 60s for Thursday and Friday with just a few light showers. Otherwise, back to dry conditions this weekend. And the valley looking at upper 60s and low 70s, mostly sunny skies today. We'll see a few more clouds rolling in Wednesday afternoon, showers Wednesday night. Those showers will continue off and on Thursday into Friday morning. Otherwise, we'll get back to those dry conditions this weekend.